Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryson and you guys are watching Rysfix. And today in this video, we will be doing unboxing of this cordless drill. So if you are new to this channel, see that you subscribe, like the video because it is going to be a very interesting video guys, and share it with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. Okay guys, so this is my package and inside this package is my tool. So I will open it up as quickly as possible and do the unboxing. So here I have ordered INGCO's cordless drill. You can even call it a cordless screwdriver because I will be using this as a cordless screwdriver. Before this I had a Black & Decker. You guys know that already. I was not getting a battery replacement of that. That is the reason why I had to throw that drill out. But before buying this drill, I did my research and I checked the availability of the battery first, because once the battery gets spoiled and if you are not getting a replacement of a new battery, then that drill or screwdriver gets useless, and instead of buying a battery you will have to buy a brand new tool. So to avoid that, I have made a research on the battery if it is available, and the good thing is the battery is available, and that is the reason why I have ordered this drill. Now you guys must have noticed that it has a 20 volt battery and my Black & Decker drill had a 12 volt battery, and this warning you should read properly. It says that before January 2024 the battery has to be recharged to keep the battery in good health. So if you are ordering tools like this, then see that you check all the warning signs. So it is not yet time to recharge this battery. So come on, let's open the box quickly and let's see what comes inside the box. So here I have opened my box, and as you guys can see, this is my cordless drill. Looks very nice. It's lightweight also. It has dual rotation and 15 speed variations, which is very nice. So let's open the box and see what else is there. So the next thing which comes out of the box is the battery. This is a 20 volt battery, 1.5 Ah battery. Now this battery is available online very easily. If something happens to this battery, then easily I can go on Amazon and order a new one. Because of this battery only I have ordered this drill, so that the parts are easily available. Battery also is very light, so it will be very easy to handle this drill. So here I have connected my battery and battery is still charged. Now one more function I have noticed in this drill, it has a torch, which is a very good thing. Sometimes in the night you can't see the screw, that time you can use this torch. You can search for that screw very easily and take it out. So come on, let's see what else is there inside the box. So the next thing which comes out of the box is the battery charger. It is said that this is a fast charger, and inside the box there are some papers, some service information papers, user manuals, but see that you read them because there is lots of very good information inside the manual. Because when I read the manual, I found out many good things about the drill which I should know, that I will share with you later in this video. But the disappointing thing that I saw here is it did not come with a single drill bit. It did not even come with a screwdriver extension. It did not come with absolutely anything. It only came with a drill, a battery and the charger. So that is the reason why I will use the screwdriver extension from my Black & Decker drill. As you guys can see here I have put it inside of my new drill. So I will use this extension with this drill now. This was there with me first only. It did not come with this drill, and you can even control the speed of the rotation from the trigger button. If you press it less, it will rotate slowly. If you press it harder, it will rotate faster. There is one more good thing about the battery. If you see on this side of the battery and if you press this button, how much charge is left inside of this battery, that you can see here. At the moment it is showing full charge because all three lights are lighting up properly. So I will use it a little bit now and I will make the battery a little bit down. One more important function I will show you on this drill. It has two speeds, 1 and 2. If you put it on one speed, then it will rotate slowly, but it will rotate in high torque. But if you put it on number 2, then it will rotate faster, but the torque will be less. What it means is if you are removing a very tight screw, then you will have to put it on 1, and if you just want to take out a loose screw, then you can put it on 2. So here I will keep quite a little bit, and you guys notice the rotation of 1 and the rotation of 2. Let's see the difference. Now I will put it on 1. Now I will put it on 2 and check the speed now. If rotation is slow, doesn't mean that it doesn't have power. It is rotating slow, but it has high torque. But when it rotates fast, it has less torque. I'm hoping that you have understood this. One more important thing I read on the manual is when you're pressing the trigger and when the drill is rotating, that time you should not change the speed from 1 to 2. First you will have to release the button and wait for the rotation to stop, and then change the speed knob from 1 to 2. Otherwise your drill can get spoiled. Now while using this, I saw one drawback of the light, and that is this light doesn't fall on the screw directly where you are taking out the screw. It falls slightly below that, as you guys can see. Because of this you can face some problems, but it will be a very negligible problem. Now all this while I was using this drill. So come on, let's check the battery again. And as you guys can see that my one light is become dim. I will turn the drill on and I will show you. When I turn it on, one light becomes totally dim and only two lights remain, which means that My battery is slightly down now. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.